You've seen the flashy ads, the promises of overnight wealth. But is Shopify really the golden ticket to dropshipping success? Let's cut through the hype and get real. In this video, we'll dive deep into the pros and cons of using Shopify for your dropshipping business. We'll cover everything from setup to scaling, so you can make an informed decision. Shopify dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without handling inventory or shipping yourself. You essentially act as a middleman between customers and suppliers. Here's how it works. Choose products. You select products to sell from a supplier's catalog. Set up your online store. You create an online store using Shopify, where you showcase these products. Customer places an order. When a customer buys a product from your store, you purchase it from the supplier. Supplier ships directly. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. Key benefits of Shopify dropshipping: low startup costs, no need for upfront inventory investment. Easy to manage. Shopify provides a user-friendly platform for running your store. Wide product range, access to a vast variety of products through suppliers. Challenges of Shopify dropshipping: low profit margins. Competition can be high, leading to lower profit margins. Shipping times: customers may experience longer shipping times compared to traditional retail. Product quality control: ensuring consistent product quality can be challenging. Click the link in the description below of this video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. Should you use Shopify for dropshipping? Shopify is a popular platform for dropshipping due to its user-friendliness and extensive app ecosystem. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before committing. Advantages of Shopify for dropshipping: easy-to-use interface. Wide range of apps for added functionality. Simplified payment processing. Built-in marketing tools. Disadvantages of Shopify for dropshipping: monthly fees and additional costs. High competition. Transaction fees impacting profit margins. Key considerations: start with a limited product selection. Prioritize supplier reliability. Focus on exceptional customer service. Invest in effective marketing strategies. Why businesses should use Shopify? Shopify has emerged as a leading platform for businesses looking to establish an online presence. Here's why: ease of use. User-friendly interface, no need for technical expertise. Intuitive navigation, easily manage products, orders, and customers. Quick setup, get your online store up and running in no time. Comprehensive features, all-in-one platform, handles everything from product listings to payment processing. Marketing tools, built-in features to boost sales and customer engagement. Inventory management, efficiently track stock levels and fulfill orders. Scalability, grows with your business, handles increasing sales and product lines. Multiple sales channels, sell on various platforms through Shopify. Global reach, expand your market to a worldwide audience. Strong app ecosystem. Customizations, enhance your store with thousands of available apps. Efficiency, automate tasks and streamline operations. Competitive edge, gain unique features to stand out. Security and reliability. Secure platform, protect customer data and financial information. Uptime guarantee, ensure your store is always accessible. Data backup, safeguard your business data. Exceptional support: 24/7 customer support, assistance when you need it. Comprehensive resources, access to help articles and tutorials. Community support, connect with other Shopify users for advice. By leveraging Shopify's strengths, businesses can focus on growing their brand and sales while the platform handles the technical complexities of e-commerce. Have you used Shopify for your dropshipping business? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Your insights can be invaluable to other aspiring entrepreneurs. Let's build a supportive community together. Shopify offers a solid foundation for building a successful dropshipping business. However, remember that dropshipping requires dedication, market research, and a keen understanding of your target audience. If you're considering dropshipping, start with thorough product research, build strong supplier relationships, and prioritize exceptional customer service. Consider taking advantage of Shopify's extensive app store to find tools that can streamline your operations and boost sales. Remember, success in dropshipping often comes down to finding a niche market, offering unique products, and effectively marketing your store. Thank you for watching this video and click the link in the description below of this video to use Shopify 30 days free trial.